Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, if you clicked on this video, the chances are very high that you're either interested in using open source tools or contributing to open source. Now, I get lots of different questions on how do you get started contributing to open source? What kinds of skills do you need? How do you make a career in open source? What projects should you be contributing to and how? And many, many more questions. Now the thing is, while I am the open source developer advocate at Aqua Security, I'm not contributing that actively in the code base to different open source projects. So I thought it would be really, really cool to hear from our core maintainers and core contributors and just contributors to our open source projects. We are going to start tomorrow with our live stream series, starting with Jose. Jose has been one of the core contributors to Tracy and Trivy for some time now. Before he joined the open source team at Aqua full time, he was actually already contributing for a long time to our open source projects and to other open source projects in the space. Now we're going to hear from him about his experience, how to get started, his career advice, and similar. Do hear directly from experts, from people who are getting started contributing to open source tools and to our open source tools and similar. Check out the live stream link below tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central European Summer Time. I would love to see you there. If you cannot join, do post your questions below. We are happy to answer them in the live stream. Then you can watch the recording or join us in future live streams every Thursday at 1 p.m. CEST, Central European Summer Time. If I'm not on vacation. Now this is it. I hope you have an amazing day and to see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh, I totally forgot. The link to the live stream is below. It's on the Aqua Open Source YouTube channel. Do join us there. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.